Good boy. Good boy. You're smart. Good boy.
You're gonna have it.
Good
Daddy,
boy.
can you help me get all the chicken out?
You're doing a good job, Autumn.
Can you help me though?
What might be easier is eating all the noodles away from the food.
I got it right now.
Here, buddy.
I got it right now. Mom, look what he's got.
You need to put it back, Colin.
You're almost done. You're almost finished. Oh.
Mommy, can you help me get all that
Here,
chicken
listen
out?
this.
Turn the bottom. Good big job, bottom.
Heather, you're missing that too.
Colin, why are you eating my roll? Here's some.
I'm gonna eat your roll too.
Pause that.
He wants the chicken.
No, we don't even.
Mommy, can you help
Okay.
me get all the chicken out? Mommy, can you get...
No, I'm not getting all the chicken out. You want it out, you get it out. 'Cause Mommy's got to feed Austin. Look at him. What you didn't say?
I'm done with that. I want that. I want that. Can I have a roll that you have? No, that thing that you bit off.
Yeah. That's really good. Did you try it?
I'm that. I'm that one. That's not.
You can have it. You want it? Beat. You want to try it, son?
I want that.
Okay. No, you got to eat that first. Eat your green beans.
Why don't you, Autumn, Heather.
She's feeding me. I'm not getting this.
Green beans.
She's feeding me.
No, it's your green beans and you can have it.
I don't want it.
Austin!
Mmm.
Mommy, is it time?
Huh?
Is it time?
I think so.
No, it's not.